My name is Vignesh Varan and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium, where we learn English along with some cricket action. So let's learn. Yesterday, after enjoying the game between Sunrisers Hyderabad and the Chennai Super Kings, as I was going through the blogs, I found the word Juggernaut and we learned that word today. Split that word into 3 parts for pronunciation. Juggernaut. Juggernaut. Yeah, give that a good try. Juggernaut. Awesome. Now, the meaning of the word juggernaut. It has got 2 meanings. We'll see them one after the other. The word juggernaut, it means a very large and a heavy truck. Yeah. Interestingly, this word is derived from Sanskrit or Odia language, Jagannatha. Yeah. The famous Puri Jagannath temple, which is in Orissa. Yes, that is where the word Juggernaut is taken from. The word Juggernaut used to refer to a wagon which carries a Hindu god in it. But we are using the word Juggernaut, which means a very large and a heavy truck recently. Yeah, that's the first one. The second meaning, the word Juggernaut means a huge, powerful, unstoppable force. And Chennai Super Kings have truly become the juggernauts of this season. They lost their first game and after that they have moved on to win 5 continuous games in an effortless fashion. And when you see teams winning, in such a dominant way, yes, you call them a huge, powerful, unstoppable force. In other words, you call that team a juggernaut. Yeah, that is all about the word juggernaut. If you have learned that today, go ahead and like this video. Share this video with your friends so that they get to know what juggernaut is and the origin behind the word. Thank you very much.